One of the things that's going to be very different about the way that we approach our photography assignments is that you guys don't have access to the digital SLR cameras. Now, I sent out a survey and everybody has access to some type of camera. So we're really going to focus on some other applications or ways to approach doing our photography that is not specific to the DSLR. Luckily, we managed to cover all the stuff in the beginning of the term of all of our camera techniques. So you understand what f-stops do and shutter speeds and ISO and white balance and how the meter works and those sort of things. So what we're going to be doing as we move forward is mostly going to be more conceptual work, and it's going to be about like lighting techniques. And so we're going to be able to still do that with whatever devices you have. Now, what I'd like you guys to all do is to transition into doing some of our shooting assignments with the Lightroom app. So we'll take a quick look in a couple of minutes about kind of what that looks like and why I want you to do it in that way. But it's a free application to download. So go into your app store, whether it's on the iPhone or iPad or on an Android, and you need to go to Google Play. And download Lightroom. So it's from Adobe, just type in Lightroom. It'll have that same little blue LR, but it's gonna have a shooting mode in there that'll give us some of the manual controls, because sometimes we will still be doing things like lighting techniques, and I'd like you to be able to change exposure compensation, and it'll give you the ability to do that. It'll also allow you to set ISO, and it'll let you set shutter speeds and those sort of things. So it'll give us a little bit more flexibility to have some of that control when we need it. Now, you may not always need that, but I want you to get that downloaded. It also has the ability to do some of the editing, so we can do that same sort of adjustments that we were just starting to talk about in our midterm portfolio. So take a few minutes, go get that downloaded, and I'm going to show you really quickly some of those features just so that you have an idea of why we want to do that.